how to create Google Cloud account without credit card. So first thing first, open up your browser and open up Google Cloud. After that, make sure to log in. And here, let's say you want to create an account without using any credit card. So there are certain rules. You can just tap on start free for now. After tapping on start free, you see this you need to fill up the form. There are 2 verification steps. So just enter, tap on agree and continue. After that, wait for another page to be loaded. After the another page is loaded, you can see this payment verification, information verification section. So unfortunately, we can't do without credit card. We need to enter our credit card information in order to verify our Google Cloud account. So what you can do is complete the credit card verification process. After that, you may use the free trial for some days. For the 90-day free trial, you may use it, and you may take the benefit from the free trial. You just need to enter your credit card information for that. So therefore, by following this method, you can create your Google Cloud with credit card and use the free trial. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.